So today in Vegas, Dee and Scott are on vacation. So we're gonna go do Vegas road trip.
Never had me. Never had your car.
We've made it to the infamous
106, that's us.
Oh, that's us.
At the Lake Viewpoint. What's this viewpoint called?
I don't know, it's called Lake Mead Viewpoint.
What's this called?
The Hoover Dam Bridge. It's the largest single arch bridge in America. Whoa.
Let's go, lost phone.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yes, man.
To the state line. You just walked across the entire state. Something Memorial Bridge.
The Tillman and
They were testing me.
O'Callaghan or Callaghan.
We just walked across the big arch. Now we're actually going to go walk across the dam. We have like 2.5 hours to the Grand Canyon, so we are road trip bound. Welcome to Grand Canyon West. Let's go.
We're on the bus. We're on the bus.
The Konnichiwa Cowboy.
Welcome to the top. How's it feel? Are you glad?
Yeah, I'm real glad.